Go.
Keep moving, everybody keep moving. Move right. Okay. Clear? Moving. Did you call him last man? Yeah. Somebody lose your rag? Everybody got theirs?
Actually, might be mine. Oh, wait. No, I'm
Bravo,
good. It's not mine.
Alright, down. Hey, stop. Make sure you're always covering your corners, alright? Cover your corners. Down. Yeah, go. Where's the Bravo team?
They are Bravo.
Just on the wood?
Yeah, they're coming out.
Alright, we'll make contact with the squad leader, alright?
How many guys we got in the woods to carry the wood?
They're moving.
Hey, Jane, hold on.
Where's your white tape?
All right, guys, push up. Push up.
Oh, must have fallen off.
Well, yeah, there's one sitting on the dragon suit right back there.
Hey, Swift, hold up. My tape fell off.
Hold up! My tape fell off. His tape fell off. You gotta hold up.
Here you go. I brought the tape with me.
Oh, word.
Bring it with me. You have a little bit more.
It's not a matter of time for my tape falls off.
Our other element got lost in the wind or something. Yeah, you shouldn't just let them leave. You can't just let them leave. We just cleared out Barrier Woods. Alright.
contact right. Contact right.
Bravo team, this is Charlie. Are you in contact? Over.
If you're in contact over there, we don't just want to push into this woods because there's a town right there where they'll light you up on the side. It's a tiny little kind of like think of an outpost.
All right. Keep pushing up. Please make contact. Push teammate.
We have multiple guys running.
Where? Out? Back that way? Our way?
About 150 yards.
Get him. Light him up. Whoa. Hey. All right. Hey, move out to that barrier. You pin him. You pin him.
Good.
You go with him.
Two. Come on, get some. Three.
Dude.
Good. I got one in the bright fluorescent green shirt. He's pushing to the right.
We're covering. You guys move. Hold on. Tape off. Tape off.
Oh, he's a. Oh shit! I just looked the shit off him, Marshall.
Is that Alpha? I think that was. You ready to move?
I think we got one in the tree line or behind that little cylinder structure. I'm just looking where the BBs are coming from. Was good or bad? Bad. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Up.
Come on, US, move up!
Suppressing!
Hey, buddy. Where's your barrel tape?
No what?
Barrel tape.
Okay.
Come on, let's get in!
Sorry.
I just didn't see it on the end. Next time you need to put it on the barrel.
Yeah. Well, this happened a little while ago, and the guy said it was too nice to put on the barrel. So
Okay.
I just left it there for now. It's the first game I've used it.
Okay.
You all right?
It's fine.
I'm good.
Move up.
Just a little tall.
Yeah.
Pressing.
Move up. Move up. You're moving up. We're pushing in.
Pressing!
I don't really know where they are, but I'm just going for it.
You want to try and do like a little sweep around
Yep.
from that side? We got the front locked down pretty good. James is moving.
Flanking left.
Moving.
So we got the medics over here?
Yeah, I got a medic.
I don't know. I might got some hit guys up over there. All right. Just we'll push up. We got this clear over here.
I got movement up in the woods.
We
12,
got contact
about
on
50
the left
meters.
side. Up
50
in the
meters.
woods. All right, you guys come with me.
James will be on.
Anybody's down? Hey!
Hardcore.
Hey, look, it's Mason Jones.
Across the street, we're in the woods on the left side.
Wait, what do we say?
So we got contact right. What do you got?
Contact. Right up there, straight ahead.
Got it's not getting through the brush.
They went back.
Ah, it's a Marshall. Oh, green. Alright, the tree's blocking from me right now. I can like see the green flesh of shirt a little bit. Yeah. Got it. I think I might make a push to that tree line. I can't see anything. That tree's blocking a lot of my view. Yeah. Huh?
That mud right there.
Oh yeah, no. It'll get you. Plus now I got that mud cement. A little bit. Some of it's dried up.
Let's push.
Got it. Got it. Hit. Armpit, really?